Have you ever wondered exactly how your smart home gadgets are actually built completely from the ground up? Today we are building a custom OLED humidifier to show you the fascinating world of DIY electronics. Every project starts with a printed circuit board, where we carefully solder the foundational USB power connections. Securing these tiny little pins requires a super steady hand to ensure the electrical current flows smoothly. Next, we organize all our separate components. Sorting out the resistors, capacitors, and tiny switches is super crucial. You should absolutely never skip reading the detailed schematic map before moving forward with the actual assembly. We snap the push buttons right into place to give our device its physical controls. Now it is finally time to install the microchip. This little component acts as the main brain. Using precision tweezers helps position delicate connectors safely without bending any of those fragile metallic contact points. We attach some solid brass standoffs to the back, which will keep the entire board securely elevated. The OLED display goes on next. This bright screen will show us real-time temperature and humidity data. Carefully plugging in all the power wires ensures the core board can successfully talk to every module. We seal the back with a clear acrylic plate to protect all the sensitive electronic circuitry underneath. Finally, we insert a fresh cotton swab filter that will draw moisture directly up toward the top. Placing our fully assembled unit over a cup of clean water prepares it for action. We connect the USB cable to deliver power and simply watch the entire circuit board wake up. The screen immediately displays the current room stats, proving our microchip and sensors are actually working flawlessly. With just one button press, a thick mist appears. Our little DIY engineering project is an absolute success. Building your own tech is highly rewarding and teaches you really valuable skills. Make sure you save this video for your next weekend electronics project.